Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. Today video title is guys Tecno phone display and brightness setting. So in this video friends, I will show you guys how can you disable your eyes protection mode in your Tecno mobile. Friends, you want to disable your eyes protection. So friends, how can you disable it? In this video friends, I am going to show you. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you guys if you're new in my channel, so then first of all guys subscribe the channel, click the bell icon like my video friends. So first of all guys, open your phone setting to disable guys your eyes protection. Guys, you can see guys screen color is different. So guys, click on display and brightness setting guys, click on guys eye care setting guys. So you want to disable your eyes protection mode, so you can disable guys. You can see this icon guys, tap here to disable. So as you can see guys here, you cannot use guys your eyes protection mode brightness, and guys your eyes protection mode will disable in your phone, and guys you can see your screen color will normal guys. You can see guys screen color. So I hope friends you have understood how to disable eyes protection mode. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video friends. We will meet on next video. Bye bye. Before going guys, please go and like the video, subscribe the channel. Bye friends.